You guys, welcome back. I received a new order of kaffir lime fruits, and I'll be harvesting its zest and juices, as well as germinating its seeds. Let's get started. This is the kaffir lime fruit, known as Citrus hystrix or makrut. These fruits can easily be identified by its bumpy surface. Kind of reminds me of a brain. The zest has a strong citrus and floral scent, used a lot in making different kinds of Thai curry pastes and various dips to be eaten with crunchy vegetables. I'll be germinating the seeds inside shortly. They eventually grow into this, a tree with double-lobed leaves, incredibly aromatic and used a lot in Southeast Asian cooking. These trees can grow over 15 feet tall if grown in the ground in the right conditions. It will produce fruits that hang off the tree like this. However, the leaves are much more widely used than the fruits. Let's give these a good wash. First, let's cut one open. Lightly slice along the middle, being careful not to cut all the way through. Just enough to allow me to twist it open, revealing all of its seeds undamaged. I'll be harvesting the zest. The zest has an incredible fragrance. Only harvest the green part. I like to store them in a container. And in a freezer bag to keep it fresh. And into the freezer it goes. It'll last a long time. Let's harvest the seeds. Sometimes I'll get a fruit with no seeds, but this batch has plenty. Kaffir lime leaves are so expensive to buy abroad, and also hard to come by. So that's why many Southeast Asians grow this tree themselves, largely for its leaves, which is used a lot in cooking. Strain the seeds from the juice. Give them a good rinse. We'll only want to keep the larger, plump seeds. I'll be saving the lime juice and freezing them. They taste similar to the juice of an ordinary lime, except more aromatic and slightly bitter. I'll be germinating the seeds. To begin, peel the outer coat of each seed like this, being careful not to damage the seed inside. This helps the seed to germinate faster. It takes some time to peel all of these seeds. You can play your favorite song or watch your favorite show while doing it to make the time go by. This is all that I'm doing. And the rest of these are going to family. Let's rinse the peeled seeds. Add the clean peeled seeds to a paper towel, spread them out and don't overcrowd them. Moisten the paper towel. Put the date on the Ziploc bag and carefully place them in the Ziploc bag. I'll be placing the seeds on this heat mat. I'll place the link for this product in the description area of the video. Any warm place will work though. The heat from this mat will expedite the germination. Let's check back in a few days. About a week later, many of these seeds have germinated and sprouted. Look at all the green. They're ready to be placed in soil. Use your favorite potting mix and moisten with water. Here's my setup. I'm using plastic shot cups and made slits at the bottom for good drainage, and using an aluminum food tray to hold them all. Fill each cup with soil. This aluminum tray also comes with a clear cover like this to serve as a mini greenhouse and keep the humidity in. Make a depression in the soil. Take a seedling and be careful not to cover it too deeply. You want this crown of the root exposed. It prevents the seedling from developing diseases. As they grow, they will straighten themselves out. There are a few seeds that didn't germinate and a few sprouts that didn't look strong enough, so I'll be discarding those. Water lightly until the soil is moist. Place the seed trays in a warm and sunny spot in the home. I'm using these grow lights. The seedlings will need at least 8 hours of light a day. Cover them to keep the humidity in. And let's check back in a few days. After a few days, the seedlings have grown a bit taller and have straightened themselves out a bit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.